Welcome to 104 Willow Street here in Cochrane. This home offers 4 beds with 3.5 bathrooms and air conditioning. Upstairs we got a 5-piece ensuite. Downstairs we have a suited basement and side entry. Out back we have a low maintenance backyard with a double detached oversized heated garage with a remote operated staircase to access plenty of extra storage up top. Come take a look.